Middle school science. Motion. The wings of this hummingbird are so fast that they are just a blur of motion. You can probably think of many other examples of things in motion. If you can't, just look around you. It's likely that you'll see something moving, and if nothing else, your eyes will be moving. So you know from experience what motion is. No doubt it seems like a fairly simple concept. However, when you watch this video, you'll find out that it's not quite as simple as it seems. Defining motion. In science, motion is defined as a change in position. An object's position is its location. Besides the wings of the hummingbird in the opening image, you can see other examples of motion in the figure here. In each case, the position of something is changing. Question: in the picture, what is moving and how is its position changing? Answer: the train and all its passengers are speeding straight down a track next to a station. The man and his bike are racing along a curving highway. The geese are flying over their wetland environment. The meteor is shooting through the atmosphere toward Earth, burning up as it goes. Frame of reference. There's more to motion than objects simply changing position. You'll see why when you consider the following example. Assume that a school bus, pictured here, passes by you as you stand on the sidewalk. It's obvious to you that the school bus is moving, but what about the children inside the bus? The bus isn't moving relative to them, and if they look at each other sitting on the bus, they don't appear to be moving either. If the ride is really smooth, the children may only be able to tell that the bus is moving by looking out the window and seeing you and the trees whizzing by. So we perceive motion based on our frame of reference. This example shows that how we perceive motion depends on our frame of reference. Frame of reference refers to something that is not moving with respect to an observer that can be used to detect motion. For the children on the bus, if they use the other children riding on the bus as their frame of reference, they do not appear to be moving. But if they use the objects outside the bus as their frame of reference, they can tell they are moving. This video illustrates other examples of how frame of reference is related to motion. Question: what is your frame of reference if you're standing on the sidewalk and see a bus go by? How can you tell that the bus is moving? Your frame of reference might be the trees and other stationary objects across the street as the bus goes by. It momentarily blocks your view of these objects and helps you detect the bus's motion. Okay, so let's summarize. Motion is defined as a change of position. How we perceive motion depends on our frame of reference. A frame of reference simply refers to something that is not moving with respect to an observer and can be used to detect motion.